intuition, my gut feelings, and just trying to figure out my place in the world and going with what feels right, simply. So, just having some time to reflect and just share everything to like a point of sensitivity that I have a lot of fear. I have a lot of fear in the world, and I'm going through some things that are going to make me stronger, and that's totally fine. But having that outlook to stay positive in the meantime, it's a struggle. Just doing the things that I know are going to further me with my goals are something that I try to focus more on. So whether that's, sharing a video or something, and whether one person hears it or, 1,000 people hear it, I'm not trying to feel that regret. I want to, oh, that's beautiful. Let's see if I can get it. Can't see it, Savannah. I lost my train of thought. So needless to say, I don't want to have that regret, and that's something that I feel like I need to share, that we all go through things, and that you just you have to surrender yourself and follow your intuition, because you really never know truly where you'll end up if you don't. So I was just trying to yeah? You want to play? You want to play? That I had to follow my gut, and my dog wanted to come to the beach, so now she's barking and digging holes. But you got to do what feels right for you, and if that's sharing your story, or if it's trying to help someone, or just being kinder, just follow your intuition and don't have any regrets and don't have any fears, and just push yourself, because you deserve so much, so much happiness. And all you gotta do is dig for it. You gotta push yourself. Life is so beautiful, and we often, just bypass it with all this cruelty and this negative bullshit that we just manifest ourselves to. And so to do the same thing in a better perspective is just to, manifest the abundance of there's so many good things going on. So I wanted to say, hey, follow your intuition, follow your gut. If it feels right to do something, do it. If it feels wrong, you shouldn't. A big saying of mine for a very long time was, and it still is, if you can't talk about it, you shouldn't do it. Rotate your device. If you can't talk about it, you shouldn't do it. Just, it's a big deal, but follow your dreams, reach your goals. Let your intuition speak louder than your fear. Huh, Nana? Huh, Nana? Wanna go for a run? Wanna go get in the water? Come on. Come on. Come on, go. Come on, go. Run until you're so fatigued. Come on, girl. It's so pretty out here. Just felt like I should share a little morning walk and a little bit of inspiration. Come on, girl. Come on, Nana. Have a good day, world.